In the past, conventional heat pump systems were known for their poor efficiency and performance in cold weather temperatures. But that was then. Today, Trane Mitsubishi Electric's revolutionary heat pump technology in our zoned comfort solutions can give everyone in your home total personalized comfort year-round, even in sub-zero temperatures. Here's how they work. Our ultra-efficient ductless heat pump systems consist of an indoor air handling unit and an outdoor condensing unit, which are connected via 2 refrigerant lines. Together, they work to efficiently transfer the desired cooling or heating energy to your personalized comfort zones. In summer, air conditioning is produced when heat energy from inside your home is absorbed by the system's refrigerant and transferred to the outdoor air. In winter, the refrigerant cycle is reversed, and the system extracts heat from the outdoor air and transfers it inside to heat your home. For those requiring high-performance heating in colder temperatures and climates, our expert engineers have developed Pro Heat Inverter technology. Our Pro Heat outdoor units use an enhanced compressor design to continue extracting heat energy, even when the true outdoor temperature reaches down to -13 degrees Fahrenheit. When compared to other fossil fuel burning heating systems, our modern heat pumps provide exceptional heating performance while being a greener, more environmentally friendly option for your home. All of this is possible due to our advanced variable speed inverter compressor technology, which results in our systems using up to 40% less energy than conventional systems. In addition, a single outdoor unit can control up to 8 indoor units for added comfort and efficiency, with multiple styles available for added versatility. Our indoor units also feature true air filtration for your home, resulting in improved air quality with whisper-quiet operation. Perfect for any home, even a baby's nursery. Trane Mitsubishi Electric has built a reputation on quality and reliability. Our innovations continue to make cooling and heating more efficient, comfortable, and healthy. For more information, visit us at trane.com/residential. Trane Mitsubishi Electric. Make yourself comfortable.